As a longtime fitness enthusiast and tech reviewer, I recently had the opportunity to test out the Huawei Band 9, and I must say, I'm thoroughly impressed with this latest offering from Huawei. Released in May 2024, this smart band has quickly gained popularity among users, and after spending some time with it, I can understand why. Let me share my comprehensive review of the Huawei Band 9, covering its specifications, design, application, functionality, battery life, and more. Specifications. The Huawei Band 9 boasts a sleek and compact design, perfectly balancing form and function. At its core is a vibrant 1.47-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 368 by 194 pixels. This screen size strikes an ideal balance, providing ample space for information without feeling bulky on the wrist. The display's 600 nits of brightness ensure excellent visibility even in bright outdoor conditions. One of the standout features is the new 9-axis motion sensor, an upgrade from the 6-axis sensor found in its predecessor. This enhancement promises improved accuracy in tracking various activities, particularly benefiting swimmers with better stroke detection. The Band 9 is equipped with a 180 mAh battery, which Huawei claims can last up to 14 days with typical use. It also features 5 ADM water resistance, allowing it to withstand depths of up to 50 meters, making it suitable for swimming and other water-based activities. Design. Huawei has maintained the rectangular case design from previous models, with the Band 9 weighing a mere 0.5 ounces and measuring just 9 millimeters in thickness. This ultra-lightweight construction makes it incredibly comfortable for all-day wear, and I often forgot I was wearing it. The Band 9 is available in 5 attractive colors: white, black, pink, yellow, and blue. I particularly appreciate the updated rubber straps, which feel noticeably softer and more durable than previous iterations. The blue model features a woven antibacterial yarn strap that adds a touch of style to the overall design. While the display is impressive, I did notice that the bezels are quite wide for a 2024 device. It would have been nice to see Huawei push for a more edge-to-edge screen design. However, this is a minor gripe in an otherwise well-executed design. Application. The Huawei Band 9 pairs seamlessly with both Android and iOS devices through the Huawei Health app. I found the app to be intuitive and user-friendly, providing a comprehensive overview of my health and fitness data. The app presents all the collected data in clear, easy-to-understand graphical formats. It offers detailed insights into various health metrics, including heart rate, blood oxygen levels, sleep patterns, and stress levels. I particularly appreciate the sleep tracking feature, which now monitors for abnormal breathing patterns in addition to blood oxygen levels and heart rate. One standout feature is the morning report, which provides insights into your night's rest and offers workout recommendations for the day ahead. This personalized approach to health management is a welcome addition and helps in planning daily activities more effectively. Functionality. The Huawei Band 9 excels in its core function as a fitness tracker. It offers continuous tracking of heart rate, blood oxygen levels, distance traveled, and other vital parameters. When starting a workout, the band automatically begins tracking relevant metrics such as heart rate, distance, for activities like walking and running, calorie burn, and pace. I found the heart rate monitoring to be particularly accurate and responsive. The color scale at the top of the screen during workouts is a nice touch, allowing you to easily track your workout intensity, from warm-up to fat-burning and anaerobic zones. The Band 9 supports a wide range of workout modes, catering to various activities. Whether you're into running, cycling, swimming, or strength training, this smart band has you covered. The improved 9-axis motion sensor really shines during swimming sessions, providing more accurate stroke detection and overall workout tracking. One of the most impressive features is the band's ability to detect arrhythmias through pulse wave analysis. This level of health monitoring in such an affordable device is truly remarkable and could be potentially life-saving for some users. The stress monitoring feature is another highlight. It provides valuable insights into your stress levels throughout the day, helping you identify patterns and manage your well-being more effectively. While the Band 9 lacks built-in GPS, it can connect to your smartphone's GPS for accurate route tracking during outdoor activities. Some users might see the absence of onboard GPS as a drawback, but I found that the connected GPS worked well for my needs and likely contributes to the band's impressive battery life and competitive pricing. In terms of smart features, the Band 9 keeps things simple. It provides Bluetooth notifications and remote music control, which I found sufficient for my daily use. However, if you're looking for more advanced smartwatch features like mobile payments or offline music storage, you might need to look elsewhere. Battery life. Battery life is one of the Huawei Band 9's strongest suits. Huawei claims a maximum battery life of 14 days with typical use and 9 days with heavy use. In my testing, I found these claims to be fairly accurate, though actual results vary depending on usage patterns and enabled features. With features like automatic wrist turn display and continuous heart rate monitoring enabled, I consistently achieved around 10 days of battery life. When I added 3 to 4 workouts per week to the mix, the battery life dropped to about 7 to 8 days, which is still impressive. It's worth noting that enabling the always-on display mode significantly impacts battery life, reducing it to about 4 days. However, I found the raise to wake feature responsive enough that I rarely felt the need for the always-on display. One of the most impressive aspects of the Band 9's battery performance is its charging speed. It takes just 45 minutes to fully charge the device, and a quick 5-minute charge provides enough power for 2 days of use. This rapid charging capability is a game changer, especially for those with busy lifestyles. Price and value. While Huawei hasn't officially announced the pricing for the Band 9 at the time of this review, it's expected to be priced similarly to its predecessor, around $60. Considering the features and performance it offers, I believe the Huawei Band 9 represents excellent value for money. It successfully bridges the gap between basic fitness trackers and more advanced smartwatches, offering a comprehensive suite of health and fitness features at a fraction of the cost of high-end devices. For those who prioritize fitness tracking and basic smart notifications over more advanced smartwatch features, the Band 9 is a compelling option. So, should you buy it? After spending considerable time with the Huawei Band 9, I can confidently say that it's an impressive device that punches above its weight class. It offers a near-perfect balance of features, performance, and affordability that will appeal to a wide range of users. The combination of a vibrant AMOLED display, comprehensive health tracking features, and exceptional battery life makes the Band 9 a standout in the crowded fitness tracker market. While it may not have all the bells and whistles of more expensive smartwatches, it excels at its core functions of health and fitness tracking. The improvements in motion sensing, particularly for swimming, and the enhanced sleep tracking features demonstrate Huawei's commitment to continuous innovation. The attention to user comfort, evidenced by the improved strap materials, is also commendable. However, there is still room for improvement. The wide bezels feel a bit dated for a 2024 device, and some users might miss more advanced smartwatch features like built-in GPS or mobile payments. Despite these minor drawbacks, I believe the Huawei Band 9 offers tremendous value for its price point. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast looking for detailed workout tracking or someone who wants to keep a closer eye on their overall health, the Band 9 delivers in spades. In conclusion, the Huawei Band 9 is a worthy successor in Huawei's line of fitness trackers. It successfully builds upon the strengths of its predecessors while introducing meaningful improvements. For anyone in the market for a capable, affordable, and stylish fitness tracker, the Huawei Band 9 should be at the top of your list. It's a device that not only meets expectations but often exceeds them, proving that you don't need to break the bank to get a feature-rich and reliable fitness companion.